Okay. Guys, the thing is that it is very versatile. So, en bas, in the bottom, you see, it is very, you can change it. You can put your feet there and then try to go like this and then film. Because without even lift the monopod. So if you want to be more smooth, you can put your feet, press on this here to make sure you have enough grips and then just move it as you fit. Otherwise, if you want to leave it by itself, just lock it in the bottom and then it's not going to go anywhere. And then guess what, guys? It is very tall. Okay, I haven't tested how tall it is, but I know it is very tall. On top of that, if you don't want the bottom fit, you want to just travel, you just, you see, easy release. Easy release, that's it. That's the bottom. And then there's something you're just going to put in the bottom. There's some kind of a shoe that you're going to put to go anywhere. So you don't, if you don't want this, you just have this one like that and then just do your thing. And then the top one, if you don't want the top one too, you're just going to take it like this too. You see? Very easy. So these are easy. It is to disassemble this one here. And then this is going to go into your backpack. And then you unfold this. That goes in your backpack. And then this one, that's it. That goes in your backpack. Most of the time, if you are going to use it for the mohen, for the hohen, for the gimbal, you don't really need this one. This one is like you are in studio. And then this is a nice fluid, all right? It is a very nice fluid head. It is lightweight, VH1. This is a 10 inches fluid head, video head. So now, let's go for the wheel one now. So as I said, look this here. This is where you are going to put the head to use for the mohen. As I said, I'm going to use it mostly for the mohen. So, and this here, there is a release right here. You can release it. That's it. You take that out. And then you unscrew this one here. All right. And then I think you put it right here. That's it. You put it right here. And then you go here. That's it. And guys, now you can screw the head of the mohen on top of it. So that is why I bought it. Because when I went to B&H, I did ask questions. And I said, guys, are you sure this one's going to fit my purpose? And they say, yeah, it's supposed to. And then look. Perfect, guys. There you go. Perfect. Now, this one in the bottom, I just have to tie it. That's it. Perfect. There you go. And now it's going to be, I'm going to have to adjust it and make sure it's tied up. But that's it. And then now, this one's going to be on top of this. When I open this here, all right. Right, Nico? When I open this here, and then put that on top, that's it. And then now I can have the mohen follow me. And then I can lift it up and then give as much height as I can see. And let me see the height, guys. If I were to go, this is the floor. 1. This is the second one. 2. This is the third one. 3. So far, so good. And this is the fourth one, too. Hey, look. See, it's even taller than this one. So let me take this one out. Look. This is how tall it is, guys, without the tripod head. See? It is the same height as me. Same height as me. And I am 5'9", almost 6 feet. Same height as me. So, and then if you put this on top, guys, this is really perfect. And then for shaking, see? That's it. You can hold it here. Guys, this is perfect, very steady. And then you can travel with it. And that is why I got it. And I said that was a nice deal for $129 while I was in B&H. And then they have several features. And then that head too, if you are filming, that head is very nice, man, to be using it. All right, very nice. That's it, guys. Very nice. That's a nice head that you can have. So I will be using the head when I am in studio. If I am in my studio and then I want to have like tripod and everything with nice head, because I have big camera, then that will fit it. But if I am using my small camera, my small Sony camera, or my iPhone, then this is perfect for me with the Mohen. All right, guys. So it is a very versatile tool. As I said, very easy to travel with no issues. 1, 2, 3, 4, very no issues, very easy to travel and disassemble. All right, guys. That's it. That's it. This in your bag, filled it in your bag, this you can leave behind, and then you take this with you. And that's it. That's all you need to do to have a fully automated equipment that is following you while you're doing your vlogging, if you do not have nobody to hold the camera for you. Okay, the Hohem, that's the one, and then plus the Sirui P325FL carbon fiber camera monopod kit. 70.7 inches, 70.7 inches. That's how tall it is. Okay, lightweight professional video monopod with VH-10 fluid video head. Tripod base, flick locks for DSLR camera. Maximum load, it is 13.2 pounds. Definitely, my camera doesn't weigh that much. Okay, 13.2 pounds, up to 13.2 pounds that you can put on top of that camera, on top of that tripod. Okay, guys, it is all the review that I have for today. So I have reviewed all 3 pieces of equipment that I bought from B&H, and then I am very satisfied of them, guys. So it is one of the reasons why I encourage you. Next year, if B&H were to come with another expo, build expo, please, guys, if you are in the vicinity of New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, or even Pennsylvania, please, guys, take the drive or take the bus, take the train, and then come. You don't have to come for the 2 days. You can even come for 1 day. And then you will meet people, you will network with people, all right? And then you will have a chance to test the equipment and then see exactly if it is truly exactly that equipment that you want to buy, or you can look for alternative equipment. And then on top of that, I have seen people, I have encountered people, I have met people that came all the way from Florida. There's an Asian guy, probably you will see that in my live blog that I did interview. He came all the way from Boston, Massachusetts. Okay, so guys, I am very excited. So I have more tips because I have more equipment to unbox, and then I will do them as soon as I have a chance to do so. Thanks you again. My name is Paulin. Bye. See you next time.